So in this video, I'm gonna explain recording videos in slow motion on your GoPro Lit Hero. To do it, you can go to, of course, turn the camera on. Then you can select the slow-mo video mode. You can tap on it if you'd like to change the quality to 4K 60 or 1080p 60. I'll set it to 4K. Then record a video. Once the video is recorded, you can slide up from the bottom of your screen. And now you'll see the video is not yet slowed down. It is just recorded in 60 frames per second. Let's try opening it again because it's you can see it is not slowed down at all. Now for that, you will need to use the app. So let's go to the GoPro app and find all of the things that we'll need. So it is currently connecting with my I'll exit playback, and now I will be able to select view media, select my slow-mo video, and then actually put it in slow-mo. I'll join the own Wi-Fi of the GoPro first. As you can see, it is loading currently. Now click on it, and you can now basically download it first before you edit it. Now go to view media, find your video, and now you can see it's not yet slowed down, but when I go to edit and select speed, then I can click on the clip, set it to half times the speed, and now you can see it is slowed down. So this is the slowdown that doesn't sacrifice the frame rate, because your frame rate now after slowing down is 30 FPS, which is still very natural and viewable. If I set it to 1/8 for an example, you can see it is going to look laggy, but in some cases it is tolerable if you really want that. And you can see it doesn't look that bad, honestly. It just looks a little low FPS, but in such a big slow motion, it doesn't really make that big of a difference. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.